Hi, I'm Trish Kazakis, Wegmans Corporate Nutrition Manager, and I'm here today with one of our bakery artisans, Patty Fowler, to share some exciting news with you. Wegmans is launching a new line of gluten-free baking mixes that make it easy to create decadent desserts or everyday meal solutions. Patty, what's the story behind these mixes?
We polled our customers and asked them the things that they were looking for. Gluten-free and no gluten containing were items that they're really looking for, and so we had a little brainstorming session and we got to working on these new mixes for our customers.
So Patty, how many mixes are there? Because you brought some examples today.
Well, I made the pizza crust and the chocolate chip cookies with our gluten-free all-purpose flour. We also have a biscuit and scone mix. I have lemon blueberry, cranberry orange, bacon scallion cheddar, and an Old Bay biscuit here. And then we also have a cookie mix. In addition to that, we have brownie, cornbread, gold cake, chocolate cake, and pancake and waffle.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. And as you know, I am gluten sensitive, so I know when you were on this journey of creating the mixes, you gave me the chance, which I was so appreciative, to try them. But I'm pretty sure you had some folks that don't need to eat gluten try them too. What type of feedback did you hear?
Well, the great thing was people were smelling the great smells and were interested in eating them. And even the people who were not gluten sensitive or non-celiac really enjoyed these too. So they're really great solutions for the whole family.
That's so true, and to hear that makes me feel better because I have the confidence of knowing I can make one mix that everybody can enjoy. So Patty, you mentioned about the Insiders panel. If our viewers were interested in joining that, what do they need to do?
So we have a special page on our website, insiders.wegmans.com, where people can sign up. And we have online panels that we send them through email, and they can answer and send back, and so we hear what they're telling us.
Great, and I'm sure it helps people to know that their feedback actually counts.
Right, for sure. We like to listen to the people who shop with us.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Patty.
My pleasure.
I know we're giving all of you today a little bit of a sneak peek. So the mixes actually won't be in store until later in December, and that's when Patty's recipes will be available at that time. But you can go to our special diets page of Wegmans.com now to read about our gluten-free wellness key. That's something that you'll see on products like the baking mixes, along with everyday products like even the pepperoni that Patty used on the pizza and the sauce. So you can learn about that and click on links to those products, as well as over 400 other chef-developed recipes that make it easy for you to feel your best and enjoy a healthier, better life through food.